In this video, I'm going to show you how I ranked a video on both YouTube search results as well as on Google search results almost instantly. So if you want your YouTube videos to get a lot of views, you want to reach a lot of people and monetize and make money from YouTube, ranking your YouTube videos using search engine optimization, especially YouTube SEO, is going to be important for you. And that is what you're going to learn in this video. Hi, my name is CM Manjunath. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Without further ado, let's get started. One of my students has a website. It's called nasmassage.com. And there is a form that needed to be filled. If people entered their email address, ideally this form filled, this email address should be reaching his email inbox. What was happening was when people went to his website, filled out the form, the email wouldn't reach his Gmail inbox. That was the problem. With his permission, I did very basic SEO and I was able to rank that video almost instantly, both on YouTube search results as well as on Google. So here's step number one to rank your videos high on Google and YouTube search results almost instantly. The process that I followed is very simple. First, I headed into YouTube and so I typed WP forms and then I typed Gmail. The problem was with Gmail. So when conducting keyword research, and remember this is the first step even before you start making the video. So I typed that in and I saw if there was anything related to Gmail, right? So there's one, WP forms email setup Gmail. Okay, that is okay. But here the problem is he's not getting his submissions, the form submissions on Gmail. So this wasn't super relevant. So what I now did was I typed in something in between these words like an underscore. Now, the moment I typed in an underscore, YouTube is going to reveal to me some of the other keywords that have both the words WP forms and Gmail. And boom, right there, right? WP forms not sending email to Gmail. That right there is the actual problem. You see, I could have just been lazy and left it at WP forms Gmail as the initial search term. That's not what I did. Instead, what I did was I got into digging further and I wanted to be very specific. And remember, YouTube is suggesting these because people are already searching like that. Okay, so there we go. That became my keyword. WP forms not sending email to Gmail. Boom. That's exactly what my video was. So even before I recorded the video, this is a step that I took. I did my keyword research. And once I did that, when I recorded my video, within the first 10 seconds, remember, within the first 10 seconds, I use that keyword. Are your WP form submissions not reaching your Gmail inbox? If that's your problem, I can solve it for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the WP forms not sending email to Gmail in that video, right? Within 10 seconds of that beginning of the video, I made sure that I used that keyword, right? And apart from that, of course, I also use that in the title. You see that this keyword, this is exactly that video. And I use the keyword in the title. Guess what I did? I use the same thing at the start of my video description as well. Okay. And then if you scroll down, there is something called a tags section. Guess what the first tag is? But apart from that, I used a number of other keywords as well. How? Well, there's this brilliant website called rapidtags.io. I'm going to share a link in the description down below. You can click on that. It's very simple. You can click on the use tag generator. And this is what I did. I typed in WP forms Gmail. As I typed it in, this tool gave me a number of tags that I could use, very relevant ones. So I just clicked on copy, headed back into my YouTube while I was uploading the video. I just pasted them in and I removed the ones that I didn't believe were relevant. Okay, that's all there is to it. Make sure you do your keyword research. Make sure you use that keyword within the first 10 seconds of the video while you're presenting it. Make sure that is included when you're presenting it in the introduction itself. And I use the keyword in the title right there, like so, in the description, and finally in the tags. Just because you were able to do your keyword research properly and then use them appropriately at the start of the video, in the title and description and tags, which is all great, does not mean that you're going to start getting YouTube views instantly. Your videos are not instantly, magically gonna go viral. That's not how it works. As you start ranking your videos, it will take time to accumulate views. What do I mean by that? Well, even though I published this video and I'm ranking already at the top of search results on YouTube as well as on Google, my views have been very limited. This is going to grow organically. Now, if I go into my analytics, pay close attention. This is what happened with some of my top performing videos. You see, if I scroll down and look at my top performing video in the last 28 days, if I clicked on here, when I started it, this video got like 5-10 views for the first 24 hours or even more. It did take time to grow gradually. Okay, so again, this howtosetablogger.com, I'm ranking high on YouTube search results on Google as well. So if you notice, over a period of time, this has accumulated over 45,000 views on this video and over 5,000 watch hours just with this one video. I've got more than 900 subscribers with this one video and I made over $145. Okay, so the point I'm trying to make is that just because you ranked a video high on YouTube or Google doesn't mean that your video is going to accumulate tons of views immediately. It will take time. Have the patience and you will see the results. All right, it's finally time to give you proof. So that's the keyword, WP Forms not sending email to Gmail. The first one is a paid advertisement. I'm going to ignore that. WP Forms, these are branded ones, so I'm going to not consider them. But when we look at the video section right here, less than 20 hours, right? This was yesterday, and here I am being ranked in the top when it comes to videos. Same with YouTube. If you go to YouTube and search for WP Forms not sending email to Gmail, 1, 2, 3, number 4, and here I am in the top 5. Less than 1 day ago, very few views. Don't worry about the views. Remember, it's going to come over time. And in less than 24 hours, you see, with that just one video that I made, I'm considered one of the top channels to rank for the search term. I didn't do this. YouTube did it. And all I did was basic SEO. So it's very simple. Just a quick recap for you folks. If you want to rank your video and get lots of views over a period of time using SEO for YouTube, this is what you do. Go to YouTube, search, type in your main keywords. I did WP Forms and Gmail, and then dig further. Look for a long tail keyword. A long tail keyword looks like this: 4 words or more. Boom. That was a specific problem that my student faced. All I did was use that keyword at the start of the video. What I also did was use that keyword in the title, description, and tags. That's all I did. I didn't promote it. I didn't market it anywhere. I know the views are less, but remember, it's going to accumulate over time. What do you think about this process? Do you think you can do it? Even if you have no knowledge whatsoever about SEO, you can do these 2 or 3 steps very simply. Do you believe this is easy and you can do it? If you believe you can do it, I want you to go to the comments down below right now and type, "I can do it." And then give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is CM Manjunath. Thank you for watching.